Hi guys, if you are someone who want to build a complete Power BI dashboard from scratch, then this video is for you. So in this video, we will do it in a one flow from getting the raw data to creating a complete dashboard. And here is an agenda for today's video. So number one, we are going to see how to install Power BI in your PC. And then we are going to import and clean the data inside Power BI. And number three, we are going to build some relationship inside Power BI. And number four, we are going to design an entire dashboard inside Power BI. And number five, finally, we are going to publish the dashboard in Power BI service. So by the end, you will have a complete professional looking dashboard like this. So let's get started. So step number one, we are going to install Power BI in your PC. So for that, we have two options to install Power BI desktop in your PC. So number one is you can get the software from Microsoft Store, or else you can go to Microsoft website and you can download the software very easily. So I will go to Microsoft website now. So this is the exact Microsoft website link. So I will also attach this link in description so that you can use it and you can download the software. So now if you scroll down, you can see this download option. So by clicking this, you can able to download the software in your PC. So before downloading, just go through these system requirements so that you will be aware before downloading the software. So once you click this download option, and then the software will be downloaded in your PC. And once downloaded, just try to install in your PC. And after that, open Power BI desktop in your PC. So once you open your Power BI desktop, you will land up a page like this, and you can clearly see that you are inside Power BI now. So that's it. We have installed Power BI desktop in your PC, and now we are going to next step. So coming to step number two, which is importing and transforming the data inside Power BI. So in order to import the data, we need a sample data set. So for our project, for this video, I have a sample data set, which is an HR data set. So this is the HR data set, which has two tables in it. So we are going to import this data inside Power BI. So since our data set is in Excel format, so we are going to import the data from Excel. So there are two ways. You can go to this get data under home ribbon, and you will see there are many data sources which you can get the data. So since my data source is Excel, I'm going to import my HR data inside Power BI. So since my data is HR data set, I have imported inside Power BI, and I can able to see my two tables once I imported the file. So I need both tables. So I'm just checking these two tables. So once you have selected the tables which you want, and then you'll be having two options. One is you can load the dataset directly in Power BI now, or else if your dataset is uncleaned and if you want to transform some steps inside Power Query, then you need to click this transform data so that you can clean and transform the data inside Power Query. So since I need to clean and transform my data set, I'm going for this transform data. So once I clicked transform data, I'll see that the Power Query editor is open now, so that we can do some transformation steps inside Power Query. So the imported tables will appear here on your left side, and you can also select the table where you want to do the transformation. So now I'm going to do some changes in my employees table. So there are two steps which I'm going to transform in my current table. So number one is I just want to rename the values which are present inside gender column. So you can able to see that there are only single letters which are present inside the gender column. One is F, and which means female, and other one is M, which is male. So I just want a full name inside my gender column. So for that, I'm going to replace the values with the full name. So in order to do that, I'm going to select my gender column. So if I right click, I can able to see there are many options which I can able to do in this column. So I'm going to replace the values. So I want to replace F with female. And once you're done, click OK. So now we can able to see that all F values has been renamed as female. And same thing, I'm going to do it for male. I'm going to find M and replace with male. So that's it. We have done renaming the values here. So and then I just want to extract the year from this joining date. So in order to do that, you have to go to add columns because I need a separate column as an year. And you will see this date option. If you click this, and you can able to extract the year. So under year, you can able to extract the year in a new column. So if I click this, and you will see a new column at the end with the title year. So I am also going to extract the month from this column. So I will repeat the step same. I will go to this date option, and I just want the full name of the month. So under month options, if you scroll down, you will see this name of the month. So if I click that, you will see a new column with an name, month name as a title, and you will see a full name of the month in a new column. So that's it. We have done the transformation in employees table now, and I will also check the data type if there is any changes in data type. So you can check the data type here. If it is ABC, you can see it is in text and it is on number format. It's okay. So this is under date format, and again salary column is under number format. So now my data set is cleaned, and I have done some transformation in my data set. So after doing my transformation, I will go to this home page and I will click close and apply. So once you close and apply, the Power Query page will be closed, and you'll be again you'll be there in this opening page. And now you can able to see the changes which we did in Power Query in our table now. So for that, you can go to this table view. So here you will see all tables which are present inside Power BI. So here we have two tables, which is employees and departments. And if you see our employees table, you can clearly see that those two columns has been present here. So that's it. We have imported the data, and we have also applied the transformations which we need in our data set. So moving on to step 3, which is building relationship inside Power BI. So in order to create a relationship between two tables, we need to go to this model view. And in model view, you can see that our data set has two tables, and those two tables are present here. And since Power BI auto detects the relationship, it automatically created the relationship between two tables. But now I'm going to just delete this existing relationship which Power BI created, and I'm going to explain why we need a relationship and how to build it inside Power BI. So for that, I will delete this relationship for now. So we have deleted the relationship now. So before building an relationship on these two tables, let us understand what is relationship now and why we need a relationship in our data set. So relationship is nothing but when you have two tables, and those tables have a related data in it. And in that case, you can connect those two tables to act as a single table inside Power BI for your reporting purposes. So that is why we are building this relationship inside Power BI for creating better visuals for our reports. So now I'm going to create a relationship between these two tables. One is our employee table and other one is department table. So before building a relationship, you have to find an common columns which are present in both tables. So I can see that this department ID column which is present in both tables. So let us check in employees table. So you can see we have this department ID column which is the common column between these two tables. So I'm going to create a relationship with my department table. So this will open a new relationship where I can select the column which is common in both tables. So in this case, my department ID in my employee table and same department ID in my department table. So it connects to one to many relationship, and I'm going to save my relationship. So this cross filter direction, which is a bit advanced, so which is not required now. So I will create a relationship alone now. So now you can able to see we have created a relationship between these two tables. That's it. We have completed building relationship. Now we will move on to next step. So now moving on to step number 4, which is building a dashboard. So we are going to build a dashboard from our sample data set. So for that, I'm going to report view. So we are going to build a dashboard here. So for building our dashboard, I'm going to have one card visual for showing overall employee count. And I'm also going to create a bar chart showing the average salary across departments. And then we are going to create a pie chart for gender distribution. And at last, we are going to create a line chart which shows the number of hiring trend by year. So let's start. So I'm going to start building a card visual. So for that, I'm going this visual pane. I'll select this card visual now. So you can see that a visual is appeared in our report view. And then I'm going to bring my employee ID to the field. I'm just dragging this and dropping in this visual. And it gives the overall count of an employee ID. And you can also change the calculation type. And if you right click this, you can see the other type of calculations. You can see average and sum, etc. So right now I just need this count distinct so that it shows the overall employees in this card visual. So my card visual is done. I will keep it here. Next, I'm going to create a bar chart. So for creating a bar chart, again I'm going to my visual pane. So if you go to your visual pane, you can able to see there are many visuals are available, and I'm going to bring my clustered bar chart here, and this visual which appears in my report view. So in my bar chart, I'm going to show the average salary for all departments. So I'm going to bring my departments first. So first I'm going to bring my department column. So you can on your right side, you will able to see the tables which you have inside Power BI, and you can also see the columns which are present inside each table. So I'm bringing my department and dropping here in my bar chart. So you can also see that my column has been appeared automatically in y-axis. So after this, I'm going to bring my salary column and put this in x-axis. So now my bar chart has been created and it shows the sum of salary. But I need the average of my salary. So I will right click this and change the calculation to average. it shows the average salary for each department. Since my average values are so similar, so my bar chart looks same. So I will have my sum of salary itself so that my bar chart looks good. Keep my bar chart here. Now I will move on to my line chart. So for creating a line chart, again I'm going to my visual pane and I'm selecting my line chart here. And I'm having my line chart here. So in my line chart, I'm showing my hiring trend by year. So for that, I'm going to use my joining date column. I will drag these and drop in my visual. And I'm taking my employee ID column and put it in my y axis. So now we can able to see the count of employees who has joined on each year. And you can see that 2016 we have 15 employees and 2018 we have 8 employees. So like that we can able to track number of employees. So this shows the count of employees who joined on each year. So we can also see on month level. If you go to this next level in hierarchy, you can see it on quarter level, and then you can also see it on month level. So I'm just keeping this on year level itself. So now we have done our line chart. So next we will go to our pie chart. So for that again we will go to my visual pane and I will select my pie chart here and I will resize this. So in the pie chart I'm just want to show the gender distribution. So for that I'm going to my table and I want my gender column to be in a legend, and I want to show the number of employees on each gender. So that's it. We have done creating our pie chart, which shows the number of employees on each gender. So now we have done creating our visuals, and now we will format our visuals so that our dashboard looks very user friendly. So let me start with my bar chart. So if I click my bar chart, you can go to this format your visual, and you can change the title under general option. We can change the title like salary by department, and I want to increase the size and I will make it at center. That's it. So in visual, I don't want my x-axis title and values, and in y-axis I don't want my title alone, so that my department which is here, this will not appear in my visual. So I'm going to turn it off. So that's it. So I'm going to change the same way for all my visual. So now you can see that I have formatted all my visual, and finally I will give a title for my dashboard. So for that I will bring my text column here and I'll make it in top, and I will resize with respect to my visual. So let me give a title for my dashboard. So I'll give it as a HR dashboard, and I will change the font size so that it looks like a title. I'll make it as 20. So now if you see, we have given a title for our dashboard and I have changed the background color for our dashboard. So that's it. We have done creating our first dashboard inside Power BI. So moving on to step number 5, which is publishing our dashboard in Power BI service. So once you have done creating your dashboard, we need to share it in Power BI service. For sharing your report or dashboard in Power BI service, you need a login in Power BI service. So once you have a login in Power BI service, go to this home ribbon, and under this home ribbon you will see this option called publish. So before publishing your work, save this dashboard under a name. So I'm going to save this dashboard as HR dashboard. So I'm saving this dashboard. So once you have saved this dashboard, now we can hit this publish option. So now we are going to publish this work in Power BI service. So now you will see this option. So in this box, the workspaces which you have inside your Power BI service will be listed here. So in my case, I have my own workspace alone. So I'm going to publish this dashboard in my workspace. So I'm going to select my workspace. So once selected, it will publish to Power BI service. So once it is published on Power BI service, you can open the dashboard or report by clicking this link. So this link will directly open your dashboard inside Power BI service. So that's it. Here is your first dashboard which has been published inside Power BI service. Try doing this with your own data, or else I will also attach my sample data set which we used for this video in description part. So use that sample data set and try to recreate this dashboard by your own. So thanks for staying this long, and thanks for watching this video.